Hello and welcome to a quick video introduction of Capsa. This will be a short walkthrough of the features that Capsa version 0.1 offers. And it is also an introduction of a video series of actually setting this up. So this is the last video I'm recording in a series of videos, but it also serves as a sort of overview of what you can do with Capsa when it's set up. So Capsa is a non-intrusive open source logging solution for Unreal Engine. It is made for Unreal Engine. The setup is very easy. You can deploy it anywhere. And I will show a few of the features you can see here in action. The video series itself sets everything up from scratch. So the server we will be using is deployed in one of the later videos. And so is the plugin setup, integration, configuration. So the demo game is available on GitHub in this repository. You can check it out if you want. You can see the commits, how things were added. So in the Capsa demo project, I have a run command which just executes a few very simple commands. It starts a server and we open 2 clients. So with the game open, we can press C to join the server, which is a hotkey that I added. So when that's done on both clients, we can walk into the small trigger box to trigger an error. You can see the clients are actually being replicated, and you can see that the error is also logged on the server. Let's do it on both. So if we now go over to the web panel, you can see the available environments. I am using the overview environment for Capsa demo. These environment keys are removed by the time this video is published. So if we go to logs, let's select for the overview environment. And in here we can see we have our server and 2 games, both running on Win64. We can see the category counts and the amount of chunks that were uploaded and the amount of links. So links, out of the box, Capsa replicates a small component by default in player state to see what servers clients are connected to and which clients were connected to a server. So if we open up our server log here, and let me actually let's reset the filters from my previous video. So you will see this, and if we switch to the metadata view, we can see that we have 2 logs that were linked. So we didn't actually do anything in the game code to do this. This was added automatically. And what we can do here is we can open up the merge logs window, select our logs, and we can press save. And let's for now log custom trigger box. That's the small thing you saw me running into just for demo. It's super simple. It's just to show that we can show errors. And in here we can see that, okay, well, the second game, so G2 here stands for game client 2. That was the first one where begin overlap was called. And then we have it on game 1 and the dedicated server itself. So we can sort of, this is super useful if you're trying to debug something with replication or RPCs or anything multiplayer. You have a unified view of the different instances of your game, and you can see it all at once, and you can filter for it. So we can even, for example, if we want to see Capsa core, we can see, well, these are all of the log lines for these for this category. Or if we go in here, let's only see warnings and errors and fatal, so we can see all of this right away. So everything you've seen in this video, the Capsa web app, the server that serves all of the requests, as well as the actual game, all of that was done in a video series available on the Capsa YouTube channel. The work setting everything up in total, let's say it was an hour or so of active time and then another hour or so of waiting, compilation, that sort of stuff. So it is quite easy to set up. It might be a bit more work if you have a very complex game and you want to tweak values a lot, but still you should be able to start in the morning and have Capsa ready for use before lunch. So I would highly recommend you check it out if you work on multiplayer games. Follow us on GitHub. Check out our website. Check out the announcement blog post. Check out the documentations and let us know what you think. What are things that you think are missing? What are things you would like to see different? If you run into bugs, for example, just let us know. We'll be more than happy to help, and we will continue to add more features in the next months and years on this. So, thanks a lot.